Presenting DeckUp Plank Versa Engineered Wood Study Table and Office Desk. This office desk is made using high-grade Eurpoean standard E2 engineered wood material with particle board with pre-laminate and matte wood grain finish. The product requires assembly and comes with DIY, do-it-yourself, assembly, instructions and the hardware to self-assemble the product. It has contemporary style design that enhance your space with a sleek, contemporary desk design that complements modern interiors perfectly.
खरीदारी के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दिया गया है, जिससे आपको डिस्काउंट भी मिल सकता है।